Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best animation tablets in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best animation tablets. The fifth product on our list is UGEE M708. With an 8192 pressure sensitivity pen stylus, you can draw accurate lines of any opacity and weight depending on how hard you press the pen against the surface. As the pen has a battery-free design, you can use it continuously for as long as you want without any interruptions. The tablet has 8 customizable express keys on the side for shortcuts for the most frequently used functions. This saves you time and improves convenience so that you can spend more time focusing on the creative artwork. The animation tablet has a 10 by 6 inches active area that is sufficient to bring your creative artwork to life. Besides, the working surface offers a no-lag sketch for immediate tracking of your art. The tablet supports Mac OS 10.8 or above and Windows OS 10.8.7. When it comes to software, it supports all the latest software including Photoshop, Illustrator, Comic Studio, Autodesk Maya, 3D Max, and Fireworks. UGEE offers a 1-year warranty service on this animation tablet from the original date of purchase. Up next in 4th place is the Simbans Picasso tab. Simbans is another small brand that has a limited number of products in its portfolio. The brand has 2 premium lines of tabs, Picasso Tab and Tango Tab. These tabs are known for their 2-in-1 functions for versatile use. Simbans Picasso Tab can be used as a standalone drawing tablet. You don't have to connect it to your PC to view your digital art. Rather, you can view it on the tab itself. But if you want to connect it to your PC, you can plug it in using the USB Type-C port or wirelessly through a Wi-Fi connection. With a 10-inch IPS HD display screen, you not only get more room for drawing, but can also view these drawings clearly. The display shows vivid colors and a great detailing of the drawings. What is more impressive is that you can use this as a regular tab as well. It runs on Android OS 9.0 Pie and is powered by a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. You can play games and watch movies using it. The tablet also has a decent camera quality. This tablet is backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty from the original date of purchase. The third product on our list is the GAOMON M10K 2018. GAOMON's animation tablet uses a pen with the most advanced passive technology that does not have to be charged nor has the need for replacing the battery. So, the pen is always ready whenever you want to create a fine piece of art. Besides, the pen has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing you to draw ultra-thick and ultra-thin lines based on how hard you push it against the drawing surface. The pen has a touch resolution of 5080 LPI and a report rate of 233 pps. The tablet features 10 customizable shortcut keys for quick access to the commonly used functions. Besides, you can program the touch ring for brush adjusting, canvas zooming, and page scrolling. With this tablet, you get a working area of 10 by 6.25 inches for expressing your creative artworks. It is compatible with Mac 10.12 and later OS and Windows 7.8 to 10 OS. You will have to use the micro USB slot to connect it to all the devices. It also works with most of the creative software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Manga Studio, Open Canvas, and Sketchbook Pro. Although the warranty period is not explicitly specified on the product page, GAOMON offers a 1-year warranty for this model. The second product on our list is the Wacom PTH660. This tablet uses Pro Pen 2 technology that gives you more hours of image editing and design work. There is no need to charge the pen. The Pro Pen 2 has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity that provides great control and precision. It is also equipped with tilt response and lag-free tracking features for a seamless experience. The tablet is equipped with a multi-touch surface along with programmable express keys for ease of use. There are also radial menus and pen side switches so that you focus more on your design work. The tablet features a slim design with an active area of 8.7 by 5.8 inches for professional design work. It is compatible with Windows 7 or later, and Mac 10.12 or later OS. You can connect the tablet to your device either through the USB port or wirelessly through Bluetooth. When you register this tablet on your device, you receive a 3-month trial of Boris FX Suite and a 2-month trial of Adobe Premiere Pro. This tablet is backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty from the original date of purchase. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Wacom Intuos Small Graphics Drawing Tablet. The best thing about Wacom's animation tablet is that it comes with 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity that gives you great control and precision. Whether you are drawing or painting or photo editing, you can achieve great precision in nearly any software application. It offers a working area of 6 by 3.7 inches that is perfect for limited desktop areas. The battery-free pen supports both right and left-handed use. The animation tablet is compatible with a wide range of devices and OS, including Windows 7 and above, Mac OS 10.10 and above, Chrome OS, and Android 6.0 and above. The tablet can be connected to these devices using USB-A, USB-C, or OTG adapters. When it comes to ease of use, the tablet has 4 customizable express keys for setting up frequently used shortcuts like copy, paste, or undo at your fingertips. When you register this tablet on PC or Mac, you get 2 years of Clip Studio Paint Pro and 90 days of Corel Painter Essentials 8 and Corel Aftershot Pro 3 for free. With Chromebook, you get 3 months of Clip Studio Paint Pro. On top of this, the tablet comes with a 3-month trial period of EdTech software that is particularly useful for teachers. Wacom backs this animation tablet with a 1-year limited warranty period from the original date of purchase. That's all for our list of the 5 best animation tablets on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.